To see the user's scheduled messages, outgoing messages, incoming messages, etc. On the portal, the user can actually click on the corresponding features here. So for scheduled message, they can click on scheduled message, and you can see the scheduled messages here. So it will actually contain things like the message content, the mobile number that is supposed to send to, the scheduled date and time, the priority of the message to be sent out, and also the send type. Of course, if you would like to see lesser entries on a single page, you can actually choose options like to show 10 entries, 25 entries, or 50 entries. And to do some search on the table, so you can actually just enter anything to actually sift out the relevant messages of your choice. And if you would like to delete certain scheduled messages, so you can actually click on the checkbox of the corresponding entries and hit the delete button. In the event that all your scheduled messages are supposed to be abandoned, what you can do is you can just simply click on the empty scheduled SMS and everything will be cleared. So much on the scheduled message portion. Let's look at the inbox logs management itself. So over here, you can see things like all the incoming messages to the user under the inbox. Whatever that the user has sent out, that's under the sent log. Whatever that is supposed to be sent out and eventually was unsent, it will be under the unsent log. And lastly, whatever messages that are still in queue, it will be under the queue log. So I would like to take examples such as the send log to show you. So you may actually choose, say for example, a calendar period of your choice. Then you may see things like the timestamp of the messages, the mobile number that was being sent to, and the message content, as well as the corresponding campaign name of this entry, as well as delivery status, and also the message count. So of course you can actually see lesser entries per page, such as 10, 25 or 50 of your choice. So for example, if I hit 10, I may actually scroll to the next page to see every 10 entries within this calendar period. I may also export these details in the form of CSV or Excel by hitting any of these buttons, and I may do a simple search on the search bar. Of course, I can even say, for example, do some sorting by clicking on the arrow buttons here. So you realize that everything is sorted accordingly in ascending or descending orders.